If you need to get a restraining order for a minor in Massachusetts, there are specific steps you need to follow. A restraining order could be a 209A abuse prevention order or a 258E harassment prevention order. An abuse prevention order is designed to protect someone from abuse by a family or household member. On the other hand, a harassment prevention order can protect you from harassment from anyone, regardless of your relationship. Here's how you can get one for a minor. First, you need to determine if the minor is eligible for a restraining order. In Massachusetts, a minor can be protected by an abuse prevention order if they are being abused by a family or household member. This includes someone they are or were married to, someone they live with or have lived with, a relative by blood or marriage, someone they have a child with, or someone who they have been in a substantial dating relationship with. In order to get a harassment prevention order, the minor must be able to show 3 or more separate incidents of harassing behavior aimed at them specifically. Next, you need to go to the appropriate court to file for the restraining order. In most cases, you'll go to your local district court. However, if it's after hours for the court or on weekends and holidays, you can go to your local police department to file for an emergency restraining order. When you arrive at the court, you'll need to fill out necessary forms. The key form is the complaint for protection from abuse or harassment, depending on your situation. In this form, you'll provide information about the minor, the abuser, and the nature of the abuse. Be as detailed as possible, including specific incidents of abuse or harassment, including dates and any witnesses. You can also attach any supporting documents, such as police reports or medical records. After you complete the forms, you'll have a hearing before a judge. The judge will review your complaint and ask you some questions. If the judge believes that the minor is in immediate danger, they will issue a temporary restraining order. This temporary restraining order will last for 10 days, 10 business days, until a full hearing can be held. The abuser or harasser will be notified about the temporary order and the upcoming hearing. The court will arrange to have a police officer serve the abuser with the restraining order and the notice of the hearing. It's important that the abuser or harasser is served properly, as this ensures that they're aware of the order and the hearing date. At the full hearing, called a two-party hearing, both you and your abuser or harasser will have the opportunity to present your case to the judge. You can bring evidence, such as documents, photos, and witnesses, to support your case. The judge will listen to both sides and then decide whether to extend the restraining order. If the judge extends the order, it's usually for 1 year. At the end of that year, you can go back to court and ask to have the order extended again. If you're concerned about the minor's safety while at school, you can request that the restraining order includes provisions to protect the minor while they're at school. This might include having the school notified about the order and ensuring that the abuser or harasser is not allowed to come near the minor while at the school. Remember, if the minor is in immediate danger, you should call the police right away. The police can provide immediate protection and help you get an emergency restraining order.